Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here again, and today I want to show you my latest layout created with the February kits. I worked with the main kit and the embellishment kit, and I used one of those pretty Pocket Life kit papers and a speech bubble, and then two of these pretty color sprays from the color kit. And I started my page by applying some yellow color, and I just add some of this color spray here, and this is like my first layer. So today I want to show you how to create a layout with lots of dimension and layers. And yeah, this is like my first layer, a big yellow stain, and then I add some color splashes, some pink ones. So this is like a second layer, and these colors will also be the main colors of my layout all in all. So yeah, this is a quick and easy way to do this if you decide on two main colors. So I cut apart this pretty circle from one of those cards or papers included in the Pocket Life kit, and I cut it apart and want to adhere it with foam tape. So this is something that adds a lot of dimension if you use 3D pads, foam tape, and yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And just place it here on the left hand side, and the picture is going to be placed next to it. And yeah, I think that this circle design is so pretty. I love the different colors, and it also adds a lot of dimension because we have the different shades of the colors in the circle. I also want to add one layer here behind my picture. It's the leftover from the paper I cut the circle from. So no waste here. You can use this one as well. And yeah, so I put my picture here behind the circle, and this is the basis of my page. Now all the rest is just fine-tuning and embellishing. So here comes or here come a few pieces from the die cuts, and these of course add more dimension as well. So I add more and more layers by just adding embellishments. I place everything here on top of the circle element, so this is really a nice way to add dimension. We also have these pretty chipboards in the February kit, and I want to place one of those here behind the circle. So yeah, this is something that I do quite often, to just add some tiny bits behind my main elements, and that also is something that gives more layers, more dimension and depth to your projects. Okay, here you see that I used one of those dies to create this speech bubble, and I want to have this chipboard heart holding, or the speech bubble is holding one of those hearts, and then I add some more chipboards here on top of the circle, and I really want to use one of those rub-ons. Those are a few of my favorites here. I love the barcode so much, and this also of course is another way to add more texture and more dimension, because yeah, it has a really cool effect. It seems like it's really tattooed to your paper, and yeah, it's a nice addition to all the paper elements. And if you want to add those rub-ons, you can always do that on cardstock, but also on papers just yeah, what fits you best. Yeah, I'm really happy that we have those in quite a few kits. And now I just add some of the puffy stickers. So those are also great. They are another texture. So it's another fabric, and that's just another material, and that's just something that makes everything more interesting. And yeah, um, I like combining different textures, and the kits offer so many different embellishments, which is just great. And yeah, if you just want to check out our new kits, we have a lot of embellishments in the new packages. So yeah, don't hesitate and grab everything that you need to create your projects. Another step to add more dimension is to build little clusters. So I'm just working with those florals. We have a floral die cut set, and I also did some fussy cutting from one of those papers. And you see that I cut off the edges from a white cardstock and place it on top of one of those pretty pattern papers. So we have a lot of different dimensions. I also add my journaling on top of this yellow stain. This also is like another layer, and yeah, this is something that you should pay attention to. If you build big clusters, nothing is loose, no loose elements, everything is linked somehow. Yeah, this is something that really adds up to your different layers and gives a lot of dimension. So this is yeah, my last step. I just cut off the edges, place it here on top of this pretty pattern paper, which I love so much. And then I just add those glittery foam stickers, and I decided to yeah, have some color blocks here. I just use the same colors that we get in the circle element. And yeah, I also need a third flower element. I like doing clusters like in a little triangle. That is something that guides the eye. So if you do a little triangle clustering or cluster your elements like a triangle, it is a nice way to guide the eye, and triangles are perfect for this. So here just yeah, I just add a few of those flowers, and then my layout is done. I just have to adhere my cardstock, and then I can yeah, then I can cut off the middle of the paper if I want to use it on another project. Well, that's what my layout turned out in the end, and I hope you like my way of using the kits. Thanks so much for watching again, and have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.